I'll show you how to create a restore point in Windows quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button and type Create a Restore Point in the search bar. Select the option that appears in the search results. In the System Properties window, make sure you're on the System Protection tab. Click on the Create button at the bottom. Give your restore point a name, like Before Update or Before Install. This will help you remember why you created it. Then, click Create. Wait a few moments while Windows creates the restore point. You'll see a confirmation message once it's done. To use a restore point later, go back to the System Protection tab and click System Restore. Follow the prompts to select and use your restore point. And that's it. You've successfully created a restore point in Windows. For more quick tech tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cyber-Theo.